में you have to write a lot of tests so that you develop that particular way of solving the paper.
Understanding that yes, this is a tough paper, this is how much I want to guess, or this is how much I know for sure. That comes with mocks.
ये जो way है of solving things, that comes only when you have practiced a lot of test papers.
In most cases, you will probably not know the correct answer. मेरे केस में hardly knew कि more than 40 से 50 का answer correctly. बाकी I had to deduce and get it to the through various means.
I believe that there is an equilibrium of a range of questions where you get the maximum marks. For me, that range was attempting 90 plus. I have also seen students who attempt 70 to 75 and they score more than me. So it varies from person to person. And how do you identify that? That identification is important. That can happen with mocks.
Basically, you will realize कि कुछ particular चीज़ें होती हैं. Suppose say number of questions you want to attempt. है ना? So for me, I personally realized कि I am going to attempt around 85 questions because I was continuously seeing that whenever I attempt this particular number of questions, I am getting a good score. है ना? I will recommend कि आप भी at least 80 questions attempt कीजिए. है ना? If paper obviously is very tough, then maybe 75 to 80. But personally, I will recommend please 80 plus questions रखिए. है ना? But that again depends on you. कुछ लोग I have seen a lot of toppers. They used to do only 65, 70 questions. Their accuracy was very good. So that will come from solving papers. आप खुद अपना realize कर जाओगे कि यार ये particular range of questions है ना? Which when I attempt, I am able to score very good marks.
When you are starting with something, go for accuracy before attempts. Many other people say कि यार attempt कितने question करना है. Doesn't matter. Many people have scored attempted 65, got 60 correct and then cleared the examination, or 63 correct out of 65. Many do 90 correct and then 25 incorrect out of that. So accuracy becomes very important.
So when you're attempting mocks, try and divide your mocks try and experiment in March and April. You have a month to experiment. So every set of 5 or 10 mocks, you attempt different set of questions. I began with 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, and I kept switching for 2 months. And I realized that my score was the highest when I was attempting 90 plus.